Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene. In case you know the channel, please subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming back to support me. So I don't know if you can see me well, but it is very early in the morning and we're coming live and clear from Nyabuhanse. Yes, we just arrived and we're here very early in the morning. And let me just take you around guys. This is if you know famous YouTuber, very big YouTubers like Dimwango and Marwa, Daily Junior, and so this is where it comes from, and this is the center. Yes, so we are here. Let me just show you around, guys, and you see. So before we continue, guys, please subscribe to the channel and share, like, and also leave a comment down below on what you think about it. So thank you so much, guys, and enjoy the video. Yes. So this is how the place looks like. It's very in the morning. It's around 7:51. I don't know if you can see here. 7:51 in the morning. So yeah. So yes, that bus is going to Nairobi. It is very early in the morning and people are traveling. See that? Easy coach. Yeah. I'm here waiting for one of my friends and. Yes, and we see how everything goes, like guys. Yes, so guys, we are here. We are three of us, and we met one of our good friend here. Introduce yourself.
Hello guys. Welcome to what's your name?
Irene.
Irene
yeah.
channel.
Yeah.
My name is iammayuguno5148, and kindly support me, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And finally here meeting my mentor PM Africa.
Yes, let me turn.
What's up there? Hello internet, this is your boy PM Africa. Yeah, called Village Boy, born and raised in Kenya. Right now at in this
Nyabuhanse, the famous. Yes.
And the most famous village with the GTW. When I say GTW, I mean that the world's great travelers come from Nyabuhanse. And I'm here participating my tripod. Normally you can see this is how I do it. Yeah. So guys, if you're watching from BM Africa, go support my sister IreneZab. And you can also support me, BM Africa. Yeah.
And the support iammayuguno5148. So we just arrived, guys, and we're heading to somewhere. So keep tuned, guys. Yes, thank you so much. Yes, so guys, this is how this road looks like. As you see around here, guys, I keep telling you, like, our roads are so amazing. Like, imagine this is the village road. Yes, it's the village road, and that's how everything looks like, guys. So let us just take you around, and you see how everything looks like. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I really appreciate. Yeah. So, but go this way. This is how we go, and we have this nini. Yes, that is why we're coming live. Alright, yeah, that's my good friend PM. Yes, good friend PM, and we are heading to this side. And subscribe to our channel, guys, and we will really appreciate it. So you see here, guys, very green, very quiet, yeah. So that's where we have come from, and we are heading to this side. Yes, you see the way Africa is blessed. Very clean, guys. Very green. Yes. And I am here. Now the direction of the sun is not that good. Yes, but we keep moving, guys. Motorbikes here. is we are coming live from Marwa's village. Yeah. Yes, we just arrived and yes, I feel so happy. Yeah, I feel so happy, but yes. So guys, please support me by subscribing to the channel. Yeah. Yes. That is me. That's how we travel, guys. That is the maze, all the corns. Let me just show you. Yes, you see that? The maze of the corns. They have not yet harvested, but yeah. I have my good friend there, PM. The climate is amazing, guys. Yeah, fresh air. So Masubo,
Yeah.
how are you?
I'm so fine. I'm so happy. Yeah.
How do you feel like you're a new YouTuber from I am Marwa? Like you said, Marwa inspired you to start your YouTube channel.
Yes.
How is that? Yes. So what? How is the experience now? That's what we were talking about.
Yeah. The experience that he told me that I should put more content every day and every day, so to keep the account active.
The channel growing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all.
That's all. So what are some of the challenges?
Challenges.
You see,
is
we have
that-
challenges
Yes.
everywhere.
Challenge is that, but first of all, you can get here so that you can go see where in this our village people are slaughtering their house.
The
their
slaughterhouse.
cows, yeah.
So we are heading to this place.
Yes. So some challenges is that most of the time doing work, and that really shorted my time of
Doing videos.
yeah.
Are you in school?
I'm going to join at the September.
Oh, the university or?
Yeah.
Ah.
I'm going to University of Nairobi. Yes.
Yes. So guys, this is the real situation here, and that is how we go. Yes, that is how we go. And my good friend here is telling me that he'll be joining university.
Yes.
Yes. So we just met in town, and then I said, "Oh, I have seen this guy in some of the videos." So we said, "Let us just," and they decided to take us to where we are heading to. Yeah. So like this village is so famous.
Yeah.
So famous. Like, how do you feel about that? That your village is so famous?
I feel so good because here in Kenya now, this is the most unknown, this is the most known village, and it is so very. When you see your village is so famous, guests are coming every day and every day from different parts of the countries. It's like the days before, like 1 week have passed. There was an international guest. If you know Coco Boy and Coco Girl,
Yes, I know them.
they were here at the village of Marwa. So we are really happy to see some guests coming, and that we get the advantage of shooting them.
Shooting with them,
Yeah,
doing
some-
contents with them.
Yes, because if it was another place where, example, it's your village was famous. It was us to move from this place
To our
coming
place.
there. So
But now, because your village is famous, you are
yes,
coming here.
Yeah, and you get that advantage of shooting more content every day. So I am happy. I am Marwa. I've made our village so famous.
Yes, Marwa is working so hard. Hey, I've never seen a YouTuber who is working so hard like Marwa. Yes. Yeah, so guys, and like you, how many subscribers do you have?
For now, I have 460 subscribers.
Yes, I saw you from someone's channel, and then I said, oh, this. When I met you there in town, I was like, I know this one. Yes. So guys, we are here somewhere here, and I don't know if we should show you some. Okay, let us just go. I'm being told we have the slaughterhouse here by my good friend, and that is the slaughterhouse there. Yes, and we have dogs. Dogs. You have a lot of dogs in your village.
Yeah, dogs are so many.
So many. Yeah. And this is the house, guys.
It has been at this place for around 25 years.
25 years?
Yeah.
So this is where, like, when they want to slaughter the animals, they come and slaughter and then they sell.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
I don't know.
This is the place where they come to slaughter and take it to the butcheries.
Oh, like it is in the morning and they have already done.
They are already done with the process of slaughtering.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's being cleaned so that
For tomorrow?
Yeah.
So whole, like you said, it is more than 25 years.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, that is Nyabohanse. Huh? You don't joke. Yes, like this village, like we have a lot of chambers here.
Yeah.
A lot of land. Yes, guys. So these are the dogs. They are celebrating their meal. So you see, guys, the village of this beautiful stone there. You can come and sit here and just relax. And relax. Kuja tu, msijali. You see, guys, that's what they do in the village using the bulls, yeah? You see, guys, this is how we do in the village, yeah? Yes, and yes, and here we have one of our good friends.
Hello guys.
Yes, Sasa.
I am Noel Chacha. Digging the shamba.
Using the bulls.
Yes.
Yes. How do you do it?
I want to plant some maize.
You want to plant some maize before
Before late.
Yeah. So you are cultivating the shamba.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. So what can you tell my friends here? I have my good friends here who are watching.
Yes, I would like to say that you have to subscribe on my YouTube channel.
Oh, you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I am
Okay.
Noel Chacha.
The village of YouTubers.
Yes.
You have a lot of YouTubers from this place. Okay, now I'm going to put your link down there. They'll come and support you. Yes. So guys, we keep moving.
Ndio Dorcas wetu
Wapipiria.
ya wapipiria. Dorcas mwenye anapenda hata watoto wadogo, hata wakina hawa. Yani watoto wadogo ndio anawapenda wote, anawapea kazi. Hata kazi kama ni kidogo anawapea pesa vizuri, watoto watanunua ma uniform vizuri. Yani Marwa yani namuombea Mungu ambariki kweli kweli.
Unaona hiyo jina?
Yani kweli kweli.
Like Mungu ambariki kweli. Hiyo tu inatosha.
Yani inatosha. Yani ampe miaka mingi. Kama watu wanafikisha miaka 120, mimi namuongezea iwe 150. Na bonus nyingine tena.
Mungu ameshasikia hiyo.
Yani Mungu huyu mwenye ako huko juu akatumba sisi sote. Asikia Kenya namwambia juu ya Marwa. Na wenye wanasipoti tena Marwa yani wazungu. Asinawaona lakini. Yani wamenifanya mama, yani mama wa nguvu.
Unaonekana sasa.
Na kuna kijana mwingine hapa anaitwa Mayuguna.
Mayuguna
naye anasema Mungu ambariki sana. Mayuguna
video here. Yes. Thank you so much guys for the support. Subscribe to iammayuguno5148. Subscribe to PM. Do you have a channel? No. These are our friends. So what can you say about this village? Like we have been walking from town to this place.
I really love the village. It's evergreen. I love the nature everywhere.
Yes.
And what I want to say is like, you can see this how everything is. I love it so much, and I thank God for being here. Yeah, thank God for being here. That's what I can say. It's a beautiful village.
It's a beautiful village.
Yeah.
And you, what can you say?
Me, what I can say that is that I love you people coming to my village, and I love my village to be the most famous village in Kenya now. So guys, please support us by subscribing to our channels, and may God bless you.
Yes, PM, come here. So from us here, me, PM, Masubo, and our good friends, we say thank you so much and bye-bye.
God bless you. Thank you so much.